Yeah, let us now learn about what will be the combination of resistances in a circuit, electrical circuit. So as you know, we are talking about the DC current right now. We are not in the alternating current. So we will be doing the numericals based on the concept of direct current. Uh, so now we will learn about, suppose that there is an electrical appliance. Electrical appliance will have power rating. Power rating will tell us that what. So normally you will find it's written over there 5 ampere, 240 volt, 440 volt. So what they specify what will be the current, maximum current through it, and what is the power of that. So now let's learn about this. What is power? Power is work done by time. Power is measured in watt. So watt unit is watt. So 1 watt equals to 1 joule per second. So when the work done will be 1 joule in 1 second, then we say that the power is 1 watt. But the commercial unit is kilowatt. This power, now work done will be VIT. Potential difference into current into time. So the formula is VI. So power P equals to VI. So if an appliance has been given that it is of 100 watt and it consumes of 4 ampere, then you can estimate what will be the potential difference. We can calculate from here. Or it is operating at 200 volt and the power is 100 watts. So what will be the current drawn by that appliance? Now, since V equals to IR from Ohm's law, so what is the power then? So if you substitute V with IR, then it becomes V. Okay, first one will be V square by R. I equals to V by R, or the power will become, if I substitute, then it will become I square R. So there are 3 formulas. These two will be the same, but the application is different. This formula is used when the electrical appliances are connected in parallel. So when we will solve some numerical that when the appliances are connected in parallel, then we will be using this. Why? Because the potential difference is constant. But if the electrical appliances are connected in series, then we will use this formula, right? And we can also calculate the resistance from here, right? For example, now I am discussing numerically that suppose that we are having for example, I am using 100 watt, 200 volt. This is the power rating of the bulb, and I am having another bulb of 40 watt, 200 volt. Now, which bulb is having a higher resistance? So how to calculate? P equals to VI. The power is 100, the voltage is 200, so you can calculate the current, or you can calculate the resistance from P equals to V square by R. So from here, what will be the value of R? The R will be 200 square divided by 100, so it will be 2 2s are 4, 400 ohm, right? Now in this case, the second bulb, it will have a resistance of 200 square divided by 40. So what will be the answer? It will be 5 into 200. Okay. So it will be 1000. So you will find the second bulb is having a higher resistance. Now what is the amount of current that this bulb will draw? You can calculate P equals to VI, I equals to P by V. So I will be 100 by 200, 0.5 ampere. and this will be 40 divided by 200, that is 1 by 5, so it will be 0.2 ampere. Like this we can calculate, right? Now from the board exam, suppose that I give you this numerical, that the two bulbs 100 watt 200, the two bulbs of power rating, I am again writing the same numerical, 100 watt, 200 volt, and the another bulb 40 watt 200 volt, they are connected in series. Which bulb will glow brighter? And the power supply is, for example, it is 200 volt. I am taking right now 200 volt. So how to calculate? First you will calculate what is the resistance of this bulb and what is the resistance of this bulb. So the resistance of the first bulb, how to calculate? V square by T. So what is the resistance of the first bulb? V square 200 square by 100. What is the resistance of the second bulb? V square 200 square divided by 40. So you will find this is 400 ohm and this is 1000 ohm. Now both of them have been connected in series. Now what will be the total resistance? Series will be R1 plus R2. So you will find it is 1400 ohm. Now what will be the amount of current? The amount of current, now power supply voltage, I have given 200. In the numerical it might be 400, it can be 300. They can change the power supply. If the power supply is different, you will have to take that power supply over here. I am giving 200, so let it be 200 over here. So therefore current I will be 200 divided by 1400, so that is 1 by 7 ampere. Now since they are connected in series, so the bulb which will glow brighter, how we will calculate? Since heat generated is I square RT. Now when we are talking about the T per second, the heat generated per second, then T will become 1, so it will become I square R. Now since the current remains the same, why? Because they have been connected in series. So I square 1 by 7 square into the resistance of the first wire, that is 400. Now I square into the resistance of the second wire. So which bulb will glow brighter? You can calculate. Okay.